I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree.
Hello, right, okay. Welcome back to the shed. Good morning. I wasn't going to do a video today. I had other things I needed to do, like ride my bike. But I had a parcel come this morning, which I wasn't expecting. Today, at least. And it's come from Hamburg, and it's from a company called Louis Motorad. And what they are is they're called HighSider organic bar ends. Louis edition. I don't know what makes them organic. But anyway, what they're for is for these mirrors. I mean, these are just cheap mirrors off Amazon, off eBay. And I ordered them just to see what the finish would be like, what the paint would be like, what the metal would be like, what the movement is like, and I actually can't fault them. I think they're really good for the money. I think they were, what, £11, £15, somewhere around there. But anyway, I need a different attachment in here to fit the CB1000R, sorry, not CBR, that was my old bike. And so I ordered these ages ago and I forgot about them, but I've been looking at these mirrors thinking I need to get them on. But I'm not sure whether I need to put longer bars on the bike, I'm undecided. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox these now, have a look, get them fitted. And I might fit them above rather than below, because if I fit them below then I haven't got the turn angle. So without putting them on, I don't really know. So we'll see. Jesus, did I pay that? Right, well, euros 19.95, 26.55 euros delivered. HighSider bar ends. It's just a different attachment inside there, which is the one that comes out of the CBR. It's very, very similar, and that then fits inside through there. We'll get the old ones off now then. Give me something to do today. I wanted to go out on my bike today and test out that new exhaust a bit more. I'm going to put the baffle in as well, because if you watched my last video, it's just a bit too loud. It's lovely, it's an amazing, incredible sound, but it's too loud. It's not a bad thing, but you know, my mate who rides with me says don't do that, don't put the baffle in, leave it out. But then his bike, his Gixxer 600, sounds like death when it's running. And to be honest, I'm 41 and I'm getting old, so I think I'll put my baffle back in. But it won't be long before these sort of products get onto eBay and Amazon on the Chinese market, and you'll be able to buy aftermarket stuff. As I said, these mirrors I bought for the bike. Obviously I've had to buy a different attachment for them. Turns out to be expensive mirrors really overall, but you got to have them, haven't you? And yes, I'm drinking herbal tea. Don't ask.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Facing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me.
So they look okay. So there's a HighSider organic, whatever the organic bit means. They're from Louis Motorad and they're from Hamburg. So the mirrors aren't. The mirrors are off eBay or Amazon. I can't remember which, but I will provide the link. But I think they look okay. I'm not sure whether to turn the mirrors out. My hands aren't restricted. I haven't got massive hands, but I don't know. They don't look as if they're going to restrict me too much at all. Obviously when fitting mirrors, just make sure that your accelerator springs back. I'll take the bike outside just to position them before I tighten them down, but I think they look cool. I think they look better than the mirrors that come on the bike. Initially, yeah, they're alright. I did want them underneath, but I didn't want to turn them out this way. I wanted them turned in, but on turning, obviously you've got such a big tank, they foul on the tank. But I don't know, I'll take them out, I'll go for a little spin, see how they look, see how they feel, and if I'm comfortable with them, then I might just leave them where they are. I'll pop the link in the description, but yeah, they look alright. Happy days. Right, cheers for watching. Say just a quick video just to let you know what I've bought, what I'm doing. For any of you who've got CBR out there, or even if you haven't got a CBR and you're just interested in what little mods I'm making. So there we go. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.
I came from the mud.